Magandang gabi ho ulit sa inyong lahat. This is Faith Bautista with Asian News in America. We have not left Washington, D.C. yet. Tonight, we're at the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. And we're honored to have a special guest, Ms. Monica Vaca, who is the Assistant Director for Consumer Protection. So, Ms. Monica, thank you so much for taking the time to tell the 4 million Filipinos who FTC is.
The FTC is the Federal Trade Commission. We are an independent agency of the federal government, and we have several functions. One of them is the Bureau of Consumer Protection, and what we do is we try to prevent harm to consumers in the marketplace.
During this recession, what kind of scams did people really experience, and what did you do about it?
Absolutely. So during the economic downturn, we've seen consumers hit really hard where it matters most to them. We have seen them facing foreclosure, and with that have come foreclosure rescue scams. We have seen people losing their jobs, and with that has come job scams. Scams trying to take advantage of people who really need their homes, people who really need their jobs, people who really need sources of income.
Monica, I cannot tell you enough how many Filipinos and Southeast Asian were affected of scams. I would like to ask you more about how can we penalize these people and how can consumers get to you. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a really great information for all of you. In fact, I'm getting goosebumps because I know for a fact as a HUD-approved counseling agencies, so many homeowners got scammed left and right. So magandang gabi huli, and sa susunod, make sure you watch our next episode. Good evening.